Hello guys, Steve here, Shen RC. I'm with Stewart here today. I'm gonna let you know what I think of this Arrma Quake. Yeah, we're gonna do it, right, Stewart? And who's it's for, some tips and stuff like that. You've seen my 2 videos. I ran it. Everything's great on it. The only thing I wish Arrma would have did was, would you be quiet for the video, Stewart? Is put some plastic sliders on the top here. Ain't that right, Stewart? Look right there, that's where they need them. Yeah. Anyhow, that would have been good. And worked fine for me. Everything ran nice on it. Uh, I wouldn't recommend running 3S because I ran a 3S 3000 milliamp hour LiPo in here. And by the time the LiPo cutoff came off, I touched the motor. It was really, really hot. I don't think that's good for the motor. I think to run 3S, you really need to put down the gearing from 16 to probably, I think they could go to a 13 tooth pinion in there. That would probably help it out. But 2S is fast enough. On 2S, it's nice. That's what I recommend you use it so the motor don't get super hot. And I like the way the body comes off with the pull tabs here. I had a blast with it. I beat on it a lot. This body's much stronger than the Gorgon's body. I like the way this one comes off, and it's really strong. The Gorgon body I had, I think it was made not out of Lexan, and it just turned white when you bent it, and it got like tears in it and stuff. So this one's heavy, it's strong, it's thick. I just wish they put the plastic slider on the top. You could probably do that yourself. Everything held up on this. It's really good. The only one thing I think that's kind of wimpy on it, but it may not ever bend or break, is if you take a look at the shock shafts on this Quake, they're really thin. They're not thick. They're kind of normal 10 scale buggy thickness. But the shocks work good. I don't think that'll be a problem. I flipped it, jumping it and stuff, and they didn't bend or nothing. So I think they'll be okay. It just looks kind of thin, the metal shaft on the shock for the size of the truck. The other thing you want to do is, because when you go to put a 3S in there, like these style, they don't fit because this plug is inside the battery tray. So what you do is, there's 2 screws in the back here. There's a little plate, plastic plate cover behind the ESC. I took that off, and then you run the batteries when you take out the battery here, like this. Now you could just stick your plugs right through that hole in the bottom there, and the plug goes right in there up to the top of the ESC one here. That's a lifesaver. You like that mod, right, Stewie? You like that battery mod? Everything's good on it. No damage. No nothing. Now, who would I recommend this for? To be honest with you, I had hundreds of RC cars, and to me, if you just want something 2-wheel drive, what are you doing? You're ruining our video, Stewart. If you want something 2-wheel drive that's tough, this thing, I think for beginner or advanced like me, it doesn't matter. You'll enjoy it. If you don't want 4-wheel drive with an extra gearbox, what do you want to do? Go on the Quake? Huh? Come here. Stewart. If you want something that's easy to care for, this is it. If you don't want 4-wheel drive like most of the fast RCs are, this is fast, and it's 2-wheel drive and can take a bash and a beating. You throw anything at it. And then with the radio here, You have the stability control, so it's easy to control. And also it has on here the speed limit. What is it? If you have like a little kid or something or a newbie, you got 50, 75, and 100 the speed. So you could lower that so it don't go as fast. And this is another cool thing Arrma did with the sticker to match the body. So you know what RC you have. If you have a lot of them like me and there's a whole bunch of controllers, you go nuts. The ESC 2-in-1 unit, no problems there. This fan keeps it cool on the motor. Nothing but good to say. That the wheelie bar works like a beauty. It's strong, flexible, nothing broke. Like I said, I think it's a great truck for the money. Nothing beats it. I had Traxxas Stampedes. They don't compare to this thing. This is so much better. In the body system, you got to get used to it. Once you do, it's a breeze to put on, and it holds on. It don't come off when you crash. So, what do you think of this beauty, Stewart? Come here. Come here. Want to go up on it? Let's see if Stewart goes up on it. You want to go on there? No? He's shy. He usually goes up on the remotes. Come up. Want to go up on it? Go up. Let him know what you think of this beauty. Do some tap dancing. You like the Quake? Stewie, look. You like this Quake? He likes it. Come here, Stewart. Anyhow, guys, great truck. Me and Stewart give it 2 thumbs up and 2 bird feet? We give it 2 thumbs up and 2 bird feet. Stewart likes this one. He loves the nice colors on it. The color they did on this thing is awesome. I see Arrma selling a lot of this color, so I think Arrma is going to start putting this color on their other cars a lot. What are you doing? You giving it a kiss? So go pick one up if you're looking for a tough 2-wheel drive car that's fast. This truck is awesome. I like it a lot. I think this is like the best buy you could get for a type of truck like this. Me and Stewart wouldn't lie now, right, Stewie? Come on. Tell him the Quake's a beauty. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Great truck here. If you're looking to get into RC and you don't have a lot of money and you want something that's really good for the money, $269, you can't beat it. You won't be upset. I'm telling you, this thing's awesome. I love it. It's a great truck. I highly recommend it to everyone. Me and Stewart say, go get yourself one. We'll see you next time. Steve here, Shen RC with little Stewart. And we're out of here. If you're new watching, please subscribe. Hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. And leave a comment, a like. If you have anything, let me know in the comments below. Any questions, me and Stewart will answer them. We're out of here, guys. Thanks for watching. Stewart, what are you doing on that Quake? You giving it kisses? Come on, Stewart. Later, guys.